Let's start with some of the basic strategies that we can use at home. Before starting the Wilbarger's brushing, let's begin with a simple step, lotion massage. The reason why it is recommended is to help prepare your child's skin for deep pressure input, making the brushing more comfortable and effective. And if your child has a skin sensitivity, तो वो भी reduce करने में इसको help करता है ताकि जब हम brush introduce करें अपने बच्चे पे तो वो ज़्यादा intense feel ना हो. It also provides calming sensory input and promotes rapport building, trust and connection with the therapist or the parent. Let's proceed to Wilbarger's brush, जिसको TheraPressure brush भी कहा जाता है. It's a small, firm plastic brush with dense bristles. It provides deep pressure input and helps in calming the nervous system and improving sensory regulation. Stroke की direction one way होनी चाहिए from proximal to distal, and never back and forth. Start brushing from arms, back and legs, but if a child is defensive, then do start brushing from legs. Apply firm and even pressure so that एक deep pressure के साथ stroke receive हो. And avoid brushing on face, tummy, inner thighs and spine. But sensory diet also depends on every individual's need. If your child is a sensory seeker, या फिर हमें desensitization की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है या फिर हम sensory diet में ऐसी strategies use कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे हमें stroke back and forth देना ज़रूरी है, तब हम ये वाली strokes इस्तेमाल कर रहे होते हैं. It's not the part of the Wilbarger's protocol. Brushing is followed by joint compressions, a simple but powerful way to help your child feel grounded and regulated. Place hands on shoulder joint and press 10 times downward. Compression इस तरह से देना है कि वो firm और gentle रहे और बच्चे को तकलीफ ना हो, and at least hold it for 1 to 2 seconds and then release and do not pull back. Let's move forward to the elbow, hold above and below the joint, apply 10 compressions gently. Now hold at the wrist and gently press inward 10 times. Lastly, fingers. Apply 3 to 5 compressions on each, working from base to tip. Now let's move towards the lower extremities. Apply deep pressure following the same techniques with firm inward or downward compressions. Now let's finish with the weighted blanket roll. It's a deep pressure technique that provides calming sensory input. Wrap your child in the blanket, or if there is a bed sheet in your home, then double fold it and wrap them around like a burrito, applying firm even pressure. This helps their body feel safe, secure and grounded, reducing stress and improving focus. And it is not necessarily applied in initial sessions, as not every kid will be able to tolerate the wrap. Better to desensitize them first for more effective results. I hope this video will be a big help for those parents who are initially seeking help. Thanks for watching.